There's a book that I read a long time ago. It was very influential for me, called What You Are Seeking Is Causing You to Seek, by a person named Sherry Huber. It's a Buddhist-based book. And the idea behind it is kind of in the title. Like, there's something inside of me that's wanted to come out with the work this term. And it's really been a process as I've selected pictures of finding out what it is that wants to come out with this. So, I mean, the first thing I'm doing for the final project is taking all that's been printed out for the for 317, and adding the new contact sheet, some of the new work that I've done here, and some initial ideas of what's working. Like, some of these are printed in glossy that you can't kind of see. You catch the reflection. Some of these in matte. Some of these pictures work much better in a matte finish. Some of them are more of a luster type finish here. And the initial question is, for the prints is, am I printing them in glossy? Am I printing them in matte? Am I printing them in luster? First print coming out. One of 21 at this point. This is the first draft. Let's see what we got going on here. All right, 21 draft prints. These are all 8x10. It was interesting, as I went through to print on 8x10, I needed to go in and crop them, so I had to make some cropping decisions about with each of them. That's always can be a little challenging to figure out what works. And then this printer, like, all of these oddly have this brownish tone to them, which might work for some pictures, but not all of them. But it's like, I don't know what it is about the printer. Printing them in luster on this particular printer, I think, caused it to get this wonky tone and some discolorations and stuff. Anyway, I guess this is why we print drafts of these things. And the final, boy, what a nightmare. I updated my computer and something happened. I don't know if it was a program or a driver. There's some incompatibility that was skewing the colors in the final prints that was coming out. And if I had more time, I'd be working with this a little bit more, but sometimes you got to put a pin in it. So I guess, like so many photo projects, something I'll keep coming back to.